So, hi everyone, I'm Jasmine Samija Rillan, founder and owner of Cakes and Craft. And today I'm here not as a baker or an entrepreneur or a mother, but as someone who truly believes in rewriting your own story. Oh, so today I want to ask you all that are you happy living your life the way it is? Or if given a chance, would you like to rewrite your story again? The theme for today's event, rewriting the narrative, is not just a phrase, it's a call to action. ये एक मौका है हमें हमारी सोच बदलने का और नए सपने देखने का। सोसाइटी ने हमें बहुत सारी बाउंड्रीज में बांध रखा है, जैसे कि आपकी एज में कुछ नया स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते, या अभी आप बहुत छोटे हो ये नहीं कर सकते, या कुछ सेफ रास्ता लेना चाहिए। पर क्या ये बातें सच हैं? ये कहानियां हम अपने आप को सुनाते हैं। ऐसी कुछ कहानियां मेरी लाइफ में भी आई थी और जिनको समझ के मैं आगे बढ़ी। So I started my career as a home baker, and from a home kitchen to now with 18 outlets all over India, I have learned a lot. So I think that this journey is not easy, and I've learned a lot in this journey. I think it is rightly said कि सुनो सबकी पर करो अपने मन की. Listen to your inner voice. And I think if you want to achieve something in life, you can achieve it without any fear. And if you have dedication and passion for it, definitely you can achieve whatever you want in life. So I'm a cancer survivor. And when I got to know that I have cancer, I was at the peak of my career. At that time, I thought that this is the end of the world and I'll not be able to work again. But that wasn't the end of the world. And truly speaking, it was the beginning of my new story. It was a chance given to me to write the narrative of my life again. I started getting advices from people that you cannot work like before. You take rest, take care of your health, काम तो होता रहेगा. But I did not stop. Cancer मुझे तोड़ नहीं पाया और ना ही मुझे रोक पाया. I truly believe that you take your situation to be advantageous or disadvantageous. I took mine to be advantageous and just won over it. I kept going to my office. Even during my chemotherapies, I did not stop working. And my work became my therapy. And after that, I opened 15 more outlets of Cakes and Craft. But yeah, I think life ने मेरे लिए कुछ और ही सोचा हुआ था. In 2022, I lost my husband. And at that time, I thought that I will not be able to cope up with this. And this is the end of everything. But then seeing my two young children and my Cakes and Craft family, the people who are associated with Cakes and Craft and who are completely dependent on Cakes and Craft, मुझे उनके लिए वापस से उठना था. I had to show everyone that this is not the end. The show has to go on. It cannot stop for anyone. And I started working again to achieve bigger goals in life. And I participated in MasterChef India. And there I was selected in the top 22 chefs among the 2 lakh participants were there. And that took me to another level. And that it took a lot of courage to reach there. So this is my life story. And I would like to give you all one advice that don't stop anywhere. There is lots to achieve in life. Just have that courage and just keep moving forward. And you will achieve whatever you want in life. So yeah, thank you so much.